The 2026-27 Audi Q9-L in silver immediately grabs attention with its commanding road presence. Its long wheelbase design gives it a sleek yet imposing profile, combining elegance and functionality. The large single-frame grille at the front is flanked by adaptive LED headlights that automatically adjust to optimize visibility. Smooth sculpted body lines run seamlessly from front to rear, enhancing the SUV's aerodynamic efficiency and reducing wind noise at highway speeds. Chrome accents around the windows and lower body panels add a refined touch, while optional 22-inch alloy wheels give the SUV a bold and powerful stance. The silver color accentuates these design elements, reflecting light beautifully to highlight the car's contours. Interior features inside, the Q9-L provides a spacious and luxurious cabin that accommodates up to 7 passengers comfortably. The extended wheelbase ensures generous legroom, especially in the second row seats, with optional captain's chairs providing a first-class experience. Premium leather upholstery with soft, touch surfaces and contrast stitching gives the interior a sophisticated feel. Ambient lighting, customizable in multiple colors, enhances the atmosphere for daytime or nighttime driving. Cargo space is abundant, particularly when the third-row seats are folded, making it practical for trips, sports equipment, or everyday errands. Dashboard technology and infotainment. Audi equips the Q9-L with its latest MMI touch response system, featuring dual 12.3-inch displays for infotainment and navigation. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration come standard, allowing seamless connection with smartphones. The SUV can be optionally equipped with a 20-speaker Bang & Olufsen audio system, delivering concert-like sound throughout the cabin. The dashboard is modern and intuitive, designed to minimize distraction while providing easy access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls. Engine performance. The 27 Audi Q9-L offers a range of powerful engines. The standard 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 produces 335 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque, providing smooth acceleration and responsive handling. For those who crave higher performance, an available 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 delivers 500 horsepower for a more exhilarating drive. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring seamless shifts. The Quattro all-wheel drive system offers reliable traction in all conditions, while the adaptive air suspension allows the driver to adjust ride height and firmness for optimal comfort or sportiness. Safety features. Safety is a priority in the Q9-L, featuring Audi's advanced driver assistance systems. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and automated parking. Audi's Presense 360 system detects potential collisions from all directions, preparing airbags and other safety systems to protect passengers. The SUV also includes blind spot monitoring, traffic sign recognition, and rear cross traffic alert, providing confidence for both city driving and long road trips. Driving experience. Despite its size, the Q9-L delivers a refined and enjoyable driving experience. The cabin remains quiet, even at high speeds, thanks to enhanced insulation and aerodynamic design. Steering is precise and the SUV feels agile on winding roads. The combination of Quattro all-wheel drive and adaptive suspension ensures excellent traction and ride quality in a variety of conditions, making it both a comfortable commuter vehicle and a capable long-distance cruiser. The 2026-27 Audi Q9-L in silver starts at approximately $999 for the V6 base model, while the V8 premium version with optional features can reach nearly $125,000. Available packages include premium seating with massage functions, head-up display, night vision assist, and extended leather and wood trim options. Audi also provides concierge-style services, including maintenance, scheduling, and exclusive event access for Q9-L owners. Conclusion. The 2026-27 Audi Q9-L in silver is more than just a large luxury SUV. It's a combination of style, performance, advanced technology, and comfort. Its long wheelbase ensures maximum space for passengers and cargo, while its elegant exterior and premium interior create a first-class experience. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on long journeys, the Q9-L delivers a sophisticated, safe, and exhilarating ride. For those seeking a vehicle that combines luxury, power, and practicality, the Q9-L is an exceptional choice.